皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about もう。It is used when something already happened or the state of something has changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use もう. Alright, so we have a baby and his name is Taro. And he used to be a baby.However, over time he grows up and now he is a middle school student. How do we say that in Japanese? He's already a middle school student. You can say that like this. 太郎くんはもう中学生です。太郎くんはもう中学生です。So that means Taro is a junior high school student already. So もう means already in this sentence.So も express the idea that something is no longer in the state that they were in previously. In English, it can be translated something like already or now in affirmative sentence. In negative sentence, it can be translated into something like no longer, anymore, not again. So you can describe this situation in a negative way. So, Taro is not a baby anymore. It's describing the same thing. And you can say, 太郎くんはもう赤ちゃんではありません。太郎くんはもう赤ちゃんではありません。So, 赤ちゃん means baby. So, this sentence means Taro is no longer a baby. Or, he is not a baby anymore.Right, so もう in this sentence means no longer or not anymore. So let's look at more example sentences. もう子供が寝る時間だ。もう子供が寝る時間だ。So 子供 means child, 時間 that means time. This sentence means it's kids' bedtime already. Let's look at the next example sentence. 電車はもう駅を出ました。電車はもう駅を出ました。電車 that means train. 駅 that means station. And 出る that means to leave. So 電車はもう駅を出ました。That means the train already left the station. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. もうお酒は飲みません。もうお酒は飲みません。Right, so お酒 that means alcohol. Or o sake, just sake, Japanese alcohol. And then 飲む that means to drink. So this sentence means I won't drink alcohol anymore. I thought it's funny that in this picture, the lady is like drinking right now, but I'm like, I'm not gonna drink it anymore, but obviously she wants to. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. 私はもう食べれません。私はもう食べれません。This sentence means I can't eat anymore. So this is a negative sentence. And then も here means not anymore. Let's look at the next example sentence. もうたくさんだ。もうたくさんだ。So たくさん that means a lot. And in this sentence that means enough. Right, so you can translate this sentence into I had enough already. Or can't take this anymore. So already I had enough, I had a lot. So that means I had enough already. Or you can say, can't take this anymore. It's too much. That's basically what it means. And more sometimes show irritation if you use it like this. And then, with the emphasis on like, もうたくさんだ. That shows the irritation. Let's look at more example sentences with that. もうここには来ない。もうここには来ない。 I will not come here again. So again, this shows the irritation. Maybe you got a bad service or you got a bug in your food or something like that. And then, man, もうここには来ない。I won't come here again. Let's look at another example sentence. もうこの暑さには耐えられない。もうこの暑さには耐えられない。暑さ in this sentence means heat. 暑い that's a E adjective and that means, it's hot. But if you say 暑さ that means heat. Alright, and then 耐える 耐える that means to bear or to endure. So 耐えられない that means I can't endure. I can't bear. So this sentence means I can't bear this heat anymore. もうこの暑さには耐えられない。I can't bear this heat anymore. This is also some kind of, irritation. It's too hot. Can't bear it. Alright, let's look at real life examples. Here I brought some, tweets from Twitter. And this person says, もう夏ですね。もう夏ですね。夏 means summer. So the sentence means it's summer already, isn't it? So you're feeling the heat. So you can say もう夏ですね。It's summer already, isn't it? Alright, this is a cute hamster. And he says, ご飯はもう食べた？ご飯はもう食べた？ご飯 that means a meal. So this sentence means, did you have a meal already? ご飯はもう食べた？ Do you have a meal already? Next he says, 僕はこれから。僕はこれから。I'm starting now. So I thought this is cute. So that's why I brought it from Twitter. Alright, so today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using も。Number 1, you're already dead. If you know, you know. Number 2, did you finish the homework already? Number 3, it's morning already. Number 4, he doesn't live in Japan anymore. Alright, I'll leave the example sentences in the description. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。